What is apartment marketing? Hey Smarties, if you want smart solutions for your apartment community, click the link below. Apartment marketing is promoting your apartment community either online or in person, and getting the word out there about your brand and how it fits in that community and how it appeals to that particular demographic. So one of the very first things we do is identify what demographic we're trying to market to. And that may be several different demographics for a particular community. But each of those has a different and unique way that they need to be communicated with and what that marketing message might be. For example, I may have a marketing plan to fill an assisted senior community. So I'm going to have a marketing plan that reaches not only the resident, but also the children of those seniors, because as we know, they are part of that process for the seniors, and that's a different approach to that marketing. That marketing message may be the same, but it's a different approach. In my experience, what might be a very important consideration for you as a client is we all can come up with creative marketing ideas. Do you have the people, the manpower on site to be able to execute those plans? And with Smart Apartment Solutions, we are where the rubber meets the road. We'll not only make those recommendations, but we have the staff and the experience. We will come on site and execute those plans for you. And I think that's a very important differential. With any marketing plan, there is no one answer for any of this. Each plan needs to be customized to not only understand who the message is going to be received by, but what is it you're also trying to achieve. That's where your marketing plan needs to encompass those different approaches. So if you want more information about marketing for apartments, click the link below so that we can get smart with you.